Hello and welcome to We Around the Christmas Tree. Today we're gonna be reviewing $5 receipts freight train
Freight train.
freight train first annual Christmas extravaganza. Woo woo! The fights in this DVD on Sweet Every Diamond at the Black Angel versus Dion Chaucer at the Wolfman, King Jimmy Snicker at the Psycho Mike's backstage interview, along with Chef Hunt at Way of Walk, plus King Jimmy Snicker at the Psycho Mike versus Chef Hunt at the Way of Walk. Little Donnie will take on Hardcore Terry Houston, plus a Mr. Slee's backstage interview with the freight train. And the freight train interview will take on Mr. Slee's Thompson, plus Dynamite, plus of the new Trailracer tire, with a bonus backstage interview about him. And for our grand main event, number track match for the new Trailracer tire, featuring Big Donnie and Dynamite.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Say goodnight, Jeremy.
Good night, Jimmy.